Teacher Coco.
Hi, Teacher Coco.
Teacher Coco, the Mother's Day YouTube video was so funny.
My mom, you know that my mom like two videos, the donuts and then the Mother's Day bag. My mom.
I'm glad.
What time is it? It's Coco Art Time!
Butterfly, because you made a garden.
I couldn't know how to draw a butterfly.
Oh, wait na. I'll show you. Just now, you can also put some butterfly here. But still, we have to use the finger. No paintbrush, just finger. Finger painting. Everybody say finger painting. No,
I added.
yeah,
Hello.
Look using my iPad and yeah.
Alright, please get your fan.
Get our fan.
Get our van.
Fan.
B-O-A-A-N.
Say hello. Everybody, look at
Hello.
Now, I'm gonna try using the paint sticks, children. Remember the paint sticks? Try to make a flower.
Maybe you're right.
Working.
Maybe you're
And if let's use our thumb or index finger, okay? Okay, ready? Like 1 and 2. Let's look at Teacher Coco 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And then I'm gonna make like a leaf. Ta 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 ta. Okay, I'm using my finger. And then ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Pam 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 pam. And ta da 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 da. Is that good? Do you like it? And then I want to wet a bit.
hot in here. That's why I'm using it fast.
One here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using my finger. Okay. Okay, look at Teacher Coco. I will put extra paint on my finger. And then, Teacher Coco will make like a vertical stem. This, a leaf pala. Standing leaf.
For the line.
What do you like to use, Tash? Acrylic paint or the paint sticks?
I like these both.
Oh, okay. Wow! Look at Jake and look! Flowers. Okay. That's not bad. Yay! Fingerprint, and then I'm using this one again. It's like 1, 2, and then 1, 2. There you go. Yay! And this, can you see? I would like to make like a head circle and oval there, and then whoop, and whoop. That's it. Can you see that? Tada! Jacob! I made a butterfly using my index finger. Woohoo! Animals that you can imagine. Just don't stop creating. Don't stop creating. Alright, so I'm gonna use my red this time. Wow!
And there's a tree that's not yet dry.
Okay.
And tada, I'm done. Blah, blah, blah.
Hello. The antenna, the head.
I am done.
Okay. Yay. Tada! Please sit down. I put some dots, pero... Are you ready to show your fan so we can do something else?
I'm ready already.
Look, that's not yours. That's Jake, no? Bakit sa'yo? Wow, ang dami one. Wow! So pretty. Okay, I'm waiting for Tash. You do like this. Tash is also look. Alright, let's do this together. Ooh, so fun. Ooh. Let's do this together.
Do. You know what to do.
Yes, okay. Now,